In this snippet, we're going to talk about entering a room number into a defaulted blank Cassia thermostat. In this case, the thermostat's already been configured for a one heat, one cool, and two fan speed operation. In this particular case, now what we'll do is, once again, press the three bottom buttons and the up arrow to go ahead and get into the thermostat menu. What we're going to want to do now is come down to number 2, which is network configuration, and hit select. What we need to make sure now when we're entering a room number is that this middle bottom button down here says RAN, which stands for Room Area Network. By toggling this middle button on the thermostat, it will bounce between RAN and HAN, H-A-N, the hotel area network, which is only used when we're trying to do network operations and trying to get this thermostat onto a hotel network. So it's important to verify that you are in the RAN, Room Area Network, and then you have enter room number that's highlighted. You'll go ahead and hit press select, and now it's going to give you 6 boxes in which to press or put a room number in. Now with any 3-digit or 4-digit room numbers, we need to make sure that the last number of the room number fits on the far right hand side. So we need to scroll across. In this particular case, if I had a 4-digit room number and I wanted to go ahead and enter room 1215, I'm going to use the up and down arrows to go ahead and put the numbers in. So by pressing up, I see 1, so now I want to scroll across to the next column. I'm going to hit the middle button with the right arrow. Now I'm going to want to make this a 2, hit it up twice for 12. Move over one more time now for the number 1, and then move over one more time now for the number 5. I can go up or down arrow in this particular case. I'm using a down arrow. Now my thermostat shows the room number 1215, which is the room number that I want. Once I'm satisfied with what I have on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and hit select. And I'm going to be prompted to confirm that, in fact, this is the room number I want. If you've made a mistake, it's okay to go ahead and hit exit and start over again. In this particular case, room 1215 is what I want in the thermostat. I'll go ahead and hit press select, and now you'll see an hourglass that appears while the thermostat is registering that room number to it and basically forming now what's going to be a room area network inside of it for the room number known as 1215. When that is completed, the thermostat will automatically now come open for joining, which means now it's trying to be able to join any battery-powered devices, either a motion sensor, a sliding door sensor, a door sensor, a lamp module, or a light switch to it at this given time. At this particular time, we're not trying to join any switches to it. We just wanted to enter the room number, so we'll go ahead and just press exit, exit, and then what you're going to see here now is back to the main menu. Now, if we wanted to verify, in fact, that our thermostat is showing room 300 from the main menu where there's the 4 options, you're going to want to come down to number 3, which is known as DIAG/test, diagnostic test, and press select. What you want to do is come down to number 5, network state, and press select. When you press network state, what you're going to go see now is room number 1215, which is important that to verify, in fact, that you did enter the right room number. From our previous video, we did enter this thermostat as a type 1, which is a 1 heat, 1 cool, and it shows our fan speeds of 2. Now, in this particular case, this is what we have here under the R that's listed here. This is for the RAN, or the Room Area Network. This is shown as communication. 0 is no communication for the RAN. 2 is communication. It's not a device count for the R and the H here. This is a communication status. And 2 means that the room area network from the thermostat is communicating outbound to any devices that may want to join it. So for purposes of this point right now, we've been successfully entered room 1215 into the thermostat. We just verified that it's accepted it, that the type and the fan speeds are correct. Our room area network is 2 and is communicating, and now we can proceed on to the next step.